If you're considering LearnTastic Solutions LLC, you probably want to know whether it's the right fit for your business or personal needs, especially with so many other options out there. Well, let me break down the 7 essential things you should know before making the leap. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer idea of whether LearnTastic is the right choice for you. Next thing, LearnTastic Solutions is known for its user-friendly interface. Unlike many competitors in the same space, such as Monday.com or Asana, which can be overwhelming with their feature-rich designs, LearnTastic focuses on simplicity and ease of use. This makes it ideal for teams who don't want a steep learning curve and just need an intuitive solution. You'll find that everything you need is front and center, without unnecessary clutter, which is a huge benefit in today's fast-paced work environment. The third thing to note is its flexibility in project management. LearnTastic Solutions LLC provides robust customization options that allow you to tailor the software to your specific needs. Whether you're managing a small team or running a larger enterprise, you can set up workflows that match your exact processes. In comparison, tools like Trello and ClickUp may require more plugins or integrations to achieve the same level of customization, making LearnTastic a more streamlined solution. Next thing, customer support. Let's face it, no matter how good the product is, we all hit a snag now and then. One of the standout features of LearnTastic is its customer service. Their team is available around the clock and they provide in-depth resources, including live chat, which is often more responsive than what you get from the competition. With many project management tools, the support team can feel detached or slow, but LearnTastic really makes you feel like you're their priority. The fifth thing to keep in mind is scalability. While LearnTastic is perfect for small businesses, it also offers great scalability for larger teams. This is something you won't always find with simpler tools like Basecamp, which can be limiting as your business grows. Whether you need to add more users, create complex task flows, or track detailed analytics, LearnTastic grows with you without sacrificing performance or ease of use. Next, we have integrations. If you're already using other tools, you're probably concerned about how well LearnTastic will fit into your existing tech stack. Fortunately, LearnTastic integrates with a wide range of third-party applications, from Google Drive to Slack to email marketing platforms. The integrations are seamless, which means you won't need to waste time syncing everything manually, a feature where other competitors often fall short. The seventh thing to consider is pricing. While many project management solutions like Rike or Zoho projects have complex pricing tiers, LearnTastic offers clear, straightforward pricing. This transparency helps you know exactly what you're paying for, with no hidden fees or confusing plans. The value it provides for the cost is remarkable, especially considering the range of features it delivers, making it a strong contender in the marketplace. Lastly, if you're on the fence about LearnTastic Solutions LLC, remember this. You can try it for free through the first link in the description below. You'll not only get the best offer for the product, but also exclusive benefits that will give you a solid understanding of whether this solution fits your needs. So, if you're ready to give LearnTastic a shot and see firsthand how it can streamline your workflow and boost productivity, make sure to click the first link in the description for the best free trial offer. Don't miss out on this opportunity to experience everything LearnTastic has to offer, risk-free.